Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel where today we take a deep dive into one of the most powerful and stylish rigs of the year, the 2025 Kenworth T-2000. This truck isn't just a machine. It's a rolling statement of engineering, excellence, comfort, and modern trucking luxury. Whether you're a long-haul professional or simply fascinated by top-tier truck design, this review will walk you through everything from its performance to the living spaces that make it a home on wheels. The 2025 Kenworth T-2000 has been reimagined with a bold aerodynamic profile designed to slice through the air with minimal drag, increasing fuel efficiency without compromising power. Under the hood, it's equipped with a high-torque turbocharged diesel engine that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive pulling capability, even with the heaviest loads. The new suspension system offers a softer, more controlled ride, making long drives less fatiguing. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted with a space that feels less like a truck and more like the cockpit of a luxury SUV. The dashboard is wrapped in soft touch materials, and every control is placed exactly where you'd expect it. The large digital instrument cluster and infotainment system keep the driver connected and informed, while ergonomic seating provides adjustable lumbar support for those marathon hauls. Dual climate control, noise insulation, and smart storage solutions make this cabin not just functional but genuinely comfortable. Moving further back, the kitchen area is a true game changer for drivers who live on the road. Compact yet intelligently designed, it features a stainless steel sink, an induction cooktop, a microwave oven, and a mini refrigerator, all seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry. There's enough counter space for meal prep, and the LED lighting overhead makes it easy to work at any time of day. The kitchen setup allows drivers to enjoy fresh, home-cooked meals without relying solely on roadside diners, which is a big plus for health and cost savings. Finally, the bedroom area is a retreat in itself. The full-size bed is layered with high-density foam for excellent comfort, ensuring drivers can truly rest after long hours on the road. Side shelves and USB charging ports are conveniently positioned, while blackout curtains block out light for uninterrupted sleep. There's also a built-in wardrobe and underbed storage to keep personal items neatly organized. Soft ambient lighting creates a warm, relaxing environment, making it feel like a private sanctuary rather than just a sleeper cab. The 2025 Kenworth T-2000 isn't just a workhorse. It's a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and modern convenience. Whether it's the sleek exterior, the tech-packed cabin, the practical kitchen, or the restful bedroom, this truck proves that long-haul driving can be both productive and enjoyable. If you value power, style, and a home-away-from-home experience, the Kenworth T-2000 deserves your full attention.